Today we're practicing drawing from observation. Drawing from observation means you're looking at a picture or an object and making a drawing of what you see. I want you to remember these words, so we're going to practice them together. A, B, C, drawing from observation. A, B, C, drawing from observation. A, B, C, drawing from observation. For drawing from observation today, we're going to be looking at this book of animals from Australia. The first thing you should do when you get this book is look at every page and choose an animal that you like the best to make a drawing of. For instance, you could make a drawing of a kangaroo, or a dolphin, or an emu. When you're drawing today, you need to fill the space. I drew this platypus, but I didn't fill the space. There's quite a bit of empty space left over. One solution, if this happens to you, is you could draw another animal in the empty space, like this. Now we have the empty space filled up, and we have two nice drawings. Here is how to start. Turn your book to the page that has the animal that you want to draw, and put your paper right next to that picture. I'm going to choose this dolphin. I want you to start drawing with pencil, and then later on when you're happy with your drawing, we can trace with Sharpie. We're drawing the largest parts of the animal first. So are we going to start with the eye, the fin, the tail fin, the body? Let's start with the body. I'm going to make the back and the stomach. Now let's add some of the smaller parts, like the fins. Make sure that you look at the part you're drawing and then try to copy it exactly as it appears in the picture. We'll add the other fins. And there's a line on its body for the stomach. I want you to carefully observe everything that you see and try to draw even the smallest details. Let's look at the eye. There's another circle inside, and there's a black shape for the pupil inside of that. And there are also some lines around the eye. When you're done, double check to make sure that you haven't missed anything. Aha, we still need to draw one of the fins. When you're sure that your drawing has all of the parts, please trace using the big Sharpie. The big Sharpie works better than the small pen Sharpie for this project. Let's draw one more animal together before you start. I'm going to choose this lizard. We're drawing the largest part first. I might want to actually turn my paper so that I can fit the lizard going the long way. And I've put my paper right next to the picture that I'm going to be working from. The largest parts look like the body and the tail. So let's start there. The tail curls around, turn around, and come back. Now we're going to draw the next largest parts, which look like the arms. I even counted how many toes are in the picture so that I was sure I would have the right number of toes. And the next largest part looks like it will be the spots on the body. And finally, we are drawing the small details like the nostrils and the eyes. Before you trace with Sharpie, check and make sure that you aren't missing any small details from your picture, and then use the large Sharpie to trace. Checking for detail is very important. This is a really nice crocodile drawing, but look at the difference when you add the detail. It makes the drawing so much better. So please choose your animal, put your paper right next to it, and look for the largest parts to draw first. Add the details later, and then we'll trace with Sharpie. Have fun, kids. Work hard. Work on those observation skills today.